Hello and welcome to the world of Craig. Now you may be using the K18 line in Salon already, but how do you do an in-salon treatment? Well, I'm going to take you through that step by step and share lots of K18 usage tips along the way. Let's have a quick look at Claire's hair before we get the treatment underway. It's worth mentioning here that we didn't do any colour. No, she has existing highlights that were done by me, but there was no colour today. It was just the K18 treatment. Keep that in mind for the end of the video and when you see the results that we get. First things first, we went in with the chillator. Now this is a very clever formula. It removes up to 7 types of minerals and metals from the hair and product buildup, leaving the hair in the perfect state to receive repair from the K18 peptide. Oh yes, and it does all of that in just 4 minutes. I applied to the hair thoroughly and then wait 4 minutes before going in with the K18 molecular mist. Now this repairs the hair at the cortex, yes, deep within the hair's structure, adding strength and elasticity, getting the hair ready for all chemical services, including keratin treatments. But seeing as none of those were being carried out that day, we then went on to shampoo the hair. So there are 2 peptide prep shampoos within the K18 line. The first of which here is the Detox. Now I use a lot of this at the backwash and I shampoo all my colours off with it. It's fantastic to use prior to toning to remove further buildup. And then following on from that, we have the pH maintenance. This is a great simple formulation, daily use shampoo that's really gentle and totally colour safe. What do you mean you've never seen a black shampoo before? Well, that is the Detox, and that's the active charcoal that thoroughly cleanses the scalp along with salicylic acid. And it's worth adding here that it is totally colour safe too. Whilst both formulas contain a microdose of the K18 peptide, they're sulfate and paraben free. But I find the lather is so luscious that I only need to shampoo the hair once. It's leave-in molecular mask time. Now this is the product that got me into the line over 2 years ago. And not only has it changed the way I do services in Salon by saving me time and by giving me incredible results, but my clients love it too. Here's a pump of the product and I'm emulsifying it between my 2 hands. You don't need to, but I'm choosing to here. It's a great visual aid to show you where you've put the product before applying it into the hair. And of course, as always with K18, then I'm waiting the 4 minutes. Yes, I think you've got the gist of it now. If you wait 4 minutes, the K18 peptide does its thing, but I've got so many more top tips for you and facts. Let's pause here for a second so I can share them now. Agreed, I have said 4 minutes quite a few times throughout this video, but I am going to say it again. Once the K18 peptide has had its 4 minutes and done its repair deep in the cortex, you can, if you really want to, apply a rinse-off conditioner over the top. The K18 peptide and the repair that it does is accumulative. So if you don't know which one of the products to buy, I would start off with the mist and the mask to get the best results. And then you can add the other products into the line as needed. There are loads more K18 videos here on my channel. Go and check those out after you've finished watching this. Okay, so we've still got one more product to look at and of course Claire's result. But if you want to add leave-in conditioners to the hair, now is your time to do so. You may well notice in the result clips that Claire's hair looks shorter, and that is because we did a cheeky razor cut. I love my razor and there's one hair cutting tutorial already here on my channel and another coming soon. And last but by no means least, I did a couple of drops of the relatively new molecular repair oil. With its beautifully light texture, this helps to combat frizz whilst adding heat protection and UV protection. This would be your final step in any K18 treatment. And of course, after 4 minutes, you can apply any styling products you require. Finishing off with another 2 drops of the molecular repair oil, and Claire's bright shiny blonde is strong, reflective and gorgeous, and remember, coloured over 3 months ago. Just a reminder that if you've enjoyed this video and found it helpful, you know what to do and make sure your notifications are on. I have loads of tutorials here on my channel and my Instagram is full of my hair day to day. A huge thanks for watching this and I'll see you all in the next one.